Are your pepper plants growing beautifully, but they're not putting on any peppers? Me too. I'm Lorella. I break down all the farming things into small, simple steps so that you can make changes towards a more self-sustaining lifestyle. We planted 16 bell pepper plants this summer. My family loves bell peppers. It's probably the top 2 vegetable that we eat, that and onions. We have it almost every meal. We really love them. So I plant a lot of bell peppers every year. And this year the plants are looking beautiful. They haven't had much bug pressure. They're leafy and green, but I have 0 peppers on them. What's going on? Well, here's the reason. We are in a drought in Missouri. We've had no rain in, I don't know, about 2 months maybe, and the temperatures have been so incredibly hot. We've been over 100 several times in the past couple weeks. I thought peppers liked hot, dry weather. So shouldn't they be growing beautifully? Shouldn't there be big bell peppers by now? Well, guess what? When temperatures get over 94, 95 degrees, there's a thing called blossom drop, and the pepper plants will actually drop their blossoms. So no pollinators are attracted to your plants. No pollination means no beautiful bell peppers. We have rain in the forecast for a few days and temperatures are supposed to drop. So I'm hoping that during the drop in temperatures, the plants will put out some new blossoms, the rain will help them grow beautifully, and that the pollinators will find those breaks in between storm clouds to come out and do their job so we can have peppers. If you don't have any peppers on your plants, don't despair. It could just be too hot. Pepper plants produced any pepper. Blah, blah, blah. Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Into simple steps so that you can make small changes towards a more sustainable. Okay, I think I'm just going to work on cleaning up the garden for now. So I think I can turn the camera off. It's getting hot out here. It's getting really hot.